red. Ain't this what dreams are made of? Oh, they got a net, Akira. Look, a net. There's a net there.
What's it say? The net?
But there's a net.
This?
Oh, I got a fish. He's on. Fish on. Oh, he's on there. Nice. Boat flip. Yay, I got one. I didn't get skunked.
Daddy!
I didn't get skunked. Yes. Didn't get skunked. Alright, might have to stay for a little bit longer. Let's see. Got him. One bass. Okay. Gonna get this one out. No, Akira, you always be scared of the fish.
No,
There you go.
I want to touch it.
Let me get this one. Pull this one out. Good lord. You got hooked, you ain't going nowhere. It's not going anywhere. Oh, got a little dinky boy. Come here, Akira. You gotta hold him by the mouth, okay?
I don't want to. Maybe it's whoa.
No, you gotta hold him like how daddy is, like this.
I don't know. No, I don't need it. I'm scared.
Like this. See? The fish, it don't move, see? Hold like this.
No, I don't want to.
Okay, he doesn't want to hold it. Okay.
Let's put him away.
Yep.
We have to make the bass better.
There you go. He swam off. Watch out, Akira.
Where?
Yay, we didn't get skunked. So today we only caught one. So I guess the next time I go out, we'll have better luck. And Akira was with me, so he said we weren't going to catch any fish, but we caught one. Say bye-bye.
Bye.